Okay, good afternoon and welcome. Now, in this experiment, we are viewing an apparatus that help us to generate gases depending on the electrolyte put into it. Now, the apparatus is simply two bottles connected together by a tube. Each bottle has a carbon rod by the side. Each bottle has a carbon rod on each side, which acts as the electrodes. Now, there is no separation in the tube between the containers. It's just a clear tube. Now, salt and water is used in this experiment because the gas we are looking for in this particular experiment is chlorine. Now, hydrogen is also involved, but we are not making use of hydrogen. Now, we're using a 12 volts 2 amp power supply, which comes from the mains, and here is the positive wire. So this is the positive vessel, this is the negative vessel. That's the negative wire. Now, in the negative vessel, we have hydrogen coming out from the electrode. That's negative electrode. That's hydrogen gas being involved from the electrode. Now, it's stored up in here. Now, the vessel is locked in order to build enough pressure to force chlorine gas, which will enter into this water. Now, the chlorine gas is produced from this vessel. This is the positive vessel. It comes out not in large quantity because part of it reacts with the carbon rod to give you carbon tetrachloride, or you can say tetrachloromethane rather. So this builds up enough chlorine gas in here, which is being forced into the water by both the weight of the electrolyte, that's salt and water, and also the hydrogen gas built up here. That makes it come out faster than it normally would. That's the chlorine gas being evolved as it bubbles through the water on almost regular intervals. The gas continuously bubbled continuously. Now, what you'll notice that after a while, the hydrogen gas will push the electrolyte downwards up to a certain point. So it is important that after a while this is exposed to it's exposed to the atmosphere. So hydrogen gas that is stored up here could be released because we do not need we are not making use of hydrogen gas. Now, in case you want to make use of nitrogen gas, you can put in urine. Depending on the electrolyte, if you want to make use of chlorine, you can put dilute salt and water solution, or you can put any solution that has oxygen in it, such as magnesium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Those solutions